Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to student in KMS Junior College. This is your lecture of Infotech class 11 IT. I am Talib Munshi. I am teaching you chapter number 3. Its name Impressive Web Designing. Impressive Web Designing. First see here some websites that maybe impress anyone. This is first website. Second one is this website. It is built with the help of HTML and CSS. These are languages, HTML and CSS. Later on we will study it. See this also. You always use in Facebook username, password. This is also example of website. Fourth one, this is also website. Okay, there are many website. Now see how to make impressive website. But before going further, we are going to study basic how does web works. How does web works? Here, what is the meaning of web? Here, web means World Wide Web. Web means World Wide Web. It is also called as WWW or also W3C. W3C. WWW stands for World Wide Web, normally referred to as web. It is normally called as web. Now, how does web work? First step, see, when you type domain name and click on browser, it sends request to DNS server for finding web server IP. This is first step. When you type domain name and click on browser, see here, I am starting browser, that's name is Google Chrome. These are the example of browser. What is this? Google Chrome, this Internet Explorer, Safari, Opera. These all are browser. With the help of this browser, you can access many web pages. You can enjoy many web pages. You can see pictures, videos. Okay. The most popular is Google Chrome. I am using this. Now see this step. When you type domain name and click on browser, it sends request to DNS server for finding web server IP. See here. When you type domain name and click on browser, any domain name, for example, Microsoft.com. This is domain name. Microsoft.com. This is domain name of Microsoft. Google's domain name. What is this? Google.com. This is Google's domain name. Rediff. This is domain name of Rediff. Okay, you understand this. Then Gmail. Okay, in this way these are domain names. Now see, when you type domain name and click on browser, it sends request to server, DNS server, for finding web server IP. Okay, what is the IP of that server. Then it will give step 2 IP addresses. For example, it will not show you domain name, it will show only IP address. Third step, for example, request for eBhalbharti web page. See here example. Start Google Chrome again. Bal Bharti. Okay, Bal Bharti website. Now I am clicking here. It will send request to ebalbharti.in. Okay, this is main page of the eBhalbharti website. You can get many books from here. Means I am sending this request. I am showing you how does the web work. You know it practically, but practically you know it, but I am explaining you theoretically. See here, I have typed the address or domain name here. Then when I click here or enter, it will go to the DNS server, and this server gives you response. This is not on my PC. This all information is not on my PC. It is on server. Okay, I am explaining you this. Then you will get response of actual web page. This is actual web page. This is actual web page. Okay, you can do anything when you type here. When you type here and enter or search, then it will go to the respective server. Okay, more I can explain. How does DNS work? You means here I am sitting client, I am typing www.google.com. Then it will go to DNS server, web server. Then it will give us response. This is our domain name and this is IP address of that website. IP address. In more detail, this is client, means I am sitting here on PC, I am using internet, Google. When I type request to the server, and server give response to me. Okay, again I am explaining you here. See, client means here this Google Chrome. For example, Google Chrome, I am typing anything here, then it will give response. Okay, this is client. Internet is based on, listen carefully, internet is based on client server technology. Internet is based on client server technology. Request and response. Client send request, server gives response. Client send request, server gives response. Now there are some terms. We'll study this components before going further for web designing languages. You must study what are the components of the web, basic terms or basic terminologies of the web. First, what is web page? What is web page? A simple text file created using HTML. A simple text file created using HTML. This is the definition of web page. Simple text file. Simple one single page. It is created using HTML, hypertext markup language. This is web page. Now here, if I open any website, it has many web pages. Example, KMS. KMS Junior College Organization. See this website. In admission process, you must see this website. Okay, this is first page of website. This is also called as web page. When you click here, this is second web page, KMS Society. This is third web page, academics. Fourth web page, admission. Okay, these are web pages. Okay, see here, different web pages are coming. This is web page. Means web page means single text file. It is created basically using HTML. Basically using HTML. Okay, understood, student? This is web page. What is website? A collection of interlinked web pages. Now these web pages are connected, interlinked with each other, which contain text, images, audio, video. Okay, for example, here website again www.ebalbharti.in. This is address of that website, www.ebalbharti.in. When you click here, this website will get open. Okay, this is trying to open the website. Okay, see here, this is website. This website contain many web pages. This website contain many web pages. These are when you click here, this pages will get open. See here, waiting for HTTP second web page. You can download here books from here. Okay, understood, student? Then third one is web server. A web server is an web server is an application or a computer. It is not a something supernatural. It is just application or a computer that send web pages or the internet using some protocol. This protocol is called as HTTP, Hypertext Transfer Protocol. Protocol means rule. Later on we will study what is protocol, what is HTTP in detail. HTTP you know. HTTP you know in practical. Here see here, any website when you type, for example, Google is your favorite. When you type Google, see here what happen. See here, HTTP. What is S? Later on we will study HTTP here. This is protocol, this is rule for this website to transfer over internet. This is rule for transfer over internet. Okay. The functionality of website is managed by web server. All functionalities of website is managed by web server. If you delete history from your machine, from your PC, from your mobile, Android mobile, smartphone, laptop, any, it is deleted on your PC only, not on server. If you do any bad things on internet, you can, it is possible, it is very possible that you the cyber crime branch can catch you, because all proof is on web server what you are doing. There are many server, for example Apache, Nginx, IIS, these are server. Okay, these are web server. Then next, URL, next basic term, URL, Uniform Resource Locator. It is an address of a web page on the internet. The web pages are retrieved from the original location with the help of URL. What is URL? See here, what is URL? Simple. I am typing URL here, any website's URL. For example, Facebook, your favorite. This is URL of Facebook. This is URL of Facebook. Then Rediff. This is URL of Rediff. Okay, this is URL of Rediff. Okay, understood? Uniform Resource Locator. It is address of a web page. Just like your mobile, you have digital numbers. Here you are typing here. The web pages are retrieved from the original location with the help of this URL. This is URL is in browser, Uniform Resource Locator. Next, HTTP. You have seen Hypertext Transfer Protocol is a protocol. It is a rule used by www or W3C for client server communication. You have seen client server, client sending request, server is giving response. IT internet is based on this technology only, client server technology. You can delete history from here, but not from here. Now basic HTML. What is HTML? All the web pages you are going to design basically in this language, HTML. It's long form hypertext markup language. Later on we will study this HTML in very detail. Just I am introducing you HTML. What is HTML? Hypertext markup language enables to write code for a web page. All the web pages in a website are linked with one another with the help of hypertext link. All the web pages you seen web pages in a website, any website, Rediff or KMS. It contains many web pages, and these web pages are linked with each other using some link. This is called as a hypertext link. In practical, you can create this link. There are some basics of HTML. With HTML, you can create your own website. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It is very simple language. It's a long form hypertext markup language. Actually, it is not programming language. It is just a markup language. Very simple. A markup language is a set of markup tags. Simple tags are there. You are just using this. HTML uses markup tags to describe web pages. HTML is not case sensitive language. You are writing in uppercase or you are writing in lowercase. It does not matter. Okay, student, it is not case sensitive language. There are many case sensitive language like Java. If you type means capital A and small a, these are not equivalent or equal to each other. But here capital A, small a, these are same. HTML documents contain HTML tags and plain text. Okay. Student, we have learned today first how does web works, and second some basic terms, that is components of web. Thanks student.